And usually during a mascara test, I don't like to wear, oh, that. All right, guys, if you are watching this, let me just start off by saying I am so terribly sorry for how janky this video is about to be. But Benefit just released their big gang, oh, I don't know why I keep calling it gangbang, Bad Gal Bang mascara. And when I say it literally just released, it released today. Outside of the ones that got it, you know, like in PR, or the ones, you know, everybody has watched on social media as those like Uber YouTubers were sent off to Utah for this launch. So they got it ahead of all of us. But I literally rushed over to Ulta. You know what? This wouldn't even be possible if it were not for Jolene. So big thank you to Jolene for getting me to Ulta in time, because otherwise I don't know if I would have gotten it. I went to another Ulta and they weren't open, and then we had to run over to the anyways, not the point. The point is this mascara and whether or not it is worth the hype. Like I said, it's gonna be super janky. I'm just gonna grab a makeup wipe because I already like did my eyes earlier today. I've done my eyes already. I should call this like a get unready with me. I'm just gonna use this Lancome makeup remover to remove the makeup that's on my eyes in order for me to be able to use the mascara so that you guys can see it. And you know what, while I do this, let me just tell you guys, this says that the mascara is intense. It's intense pitch black, pro vitamin B5, known to fuel thickness and strength, smudge proof and flake free. It is also water resistant. The thing that really draws my eye is that it's supposed to be 36-hour full blast volume. So really, I didn't even have on foundation today. I just had on eye makeup, because I recorded a video in which I showed you how I do my false eyelashes, individual lashes. If you would like to see that video, make sure you click on the link right up here. It's either there or there, I don't know. That's how janky this video is that I'm not even sure where my whatchajigs are gonna go. I want to make sure it is completely off, because I don't want this mascara to have any help, you know what I mean? Side note, I also got this, what is this? It Cosmetics CC Illumination. It's a color correcting and it looks really good. I'm gonna do a video on that in the future. Okay, so as far as this Bad Gal Bang goes, it retails for $24 and some change, so around about $25 at Ulta is where I picked it up at. It boasts being made of one of the lightest known materials that's used in astronaut spacesuits. This is alien, astronautical, gravitational, spational. This mascara is streamlined to easily reach root to tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes. That's interesting because usually I have to get a different lash to put on my bottom lashes, or my lower lashes. So for it to be able to reach my lower lashes, also I do have issues with the inner corner of my lash and the outer corner of my lash. This says that it will do the job. Upon opening it, now I guess that this is going to be a first impression. I don't trust first impressions because I feel like you get the best impression when you use the product more frequently. So we're just gonna do a first impression, but I'm gonna continue to use it, and then maybe in a few days or in about a week or so I could tell you for sure, like I'll update it in the comment section, whether or not I continue to like the product, because that's really the tell about how good it is if I keep reaching for it. So this is just specifically first impression. And the first impression when I grabbed this product, just to make note, the shelf life of this product is 6 months, which is much longer than what I'm used to keeping mascaras. I'm used to keeping mascaras maybe about 2 months. I usually don't keep a mascara for up to 6 months, but that's how long it says that you could keep it for. It feels very light. That was the first thing I noticed when I pulled it out of the tube. It does feel very light. It almost feels as though I'm missing some mascara product inside of it, which makes me a little bit nervous. I like the way the bottle is held in my hand. It feels like I get a really good grip. Like the top of it has these little like ridges. I don't know what the thought was about the design, but I like the fact that it has these little ridges. I feel like I get a good grip out of it. The bottle is a nice size, so I assume that I'm going to get enough product in here. It is 8.5, what is that, grams? I guess so. When you open it up, the one thing that I notice about it is that it feels like coming out of the tube itself, it is very, very light. I almost wonder if it's even gonna grab my lashes. The bristles of the mascara wand almost seem like they're not even there. So it's gonna be really interesting trying this out and seeing whether, like, not whether or not it works, because it's mascara and it's Benefit puts out really good products, but just seeing whether or not it works for me, if it's the type of mascara I want to continue using. Usually during a mascara test, I don't like to wear, oh, that okay, so even though these mascara bristles are small, they really grab your your lash hairs. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's definitely getting into the corner. You know what, to be honest, I've never been able to get into the inner corner of my eye like that. I'm literally like never able to get in there that well. Now I'm gonna try the outer corner. Wow. I think I found a new mascara. Wow, no wonder they did such a crazy launch. Coat number 1. That is what it looks like. It is very black. Wow, wow. Wow. Oh my word, that is, wow. Okay, so on this eye, I had all day the Maybelline and Makeup by Shayla collaboration mascara that they, you know, collaborated on. On this eye, I just put the Benefit, I gotta stop calling it gangbang. That's not what it is, but I can't, like, it's just Bad Gal Bang. I'm gonna have to say that like 50 million times. I'm so tired. Like I can't even get the words out. Wow. From like literally the first swipe of my lashes, I was like, this is, wow. I was floored. You guys saw it. I was floored. I'm gonna try my bottom lashes. It's almost as if, like when you touch the mascara to your lashes, it's almost like it grabs onto your lashes and just pulls and flares them out. Rarely am I able to use the same mascara for my top and bottom lashes. Oh my word, look at my bottom lashes. Because of the size of the, what is it, the mascara wand, it gets really close to the root area of your lashes without tapping. Like I always end up tapping onto my eye down there, which is one of the bigger reasons why I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes. But I didn't have that problem when I used the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I think it's due to the size of the mascara wand. It's a small wand, but it's smaller on this side, and then it kind of gradually, like, you know, flares out a little bit more, but it's still not so big. So it really gets in there, and there's something about it that just makes it grab your lashes. I noticed that it didn't clump at all. I have no clumping on my eye, and I like that. That's one of the things that is spouted on the box of the product. I'm gonna go in with another coat just to see. Okay, so I think 2 coats for me is maybe just too much. I don't know. I feel like it looks a little clumpy to me. Like, what do you think? it looks, I don't know, like, I don't know, something just doesn't look right about it. But that could also be because I'm certainly not used to a mascara doing this. Like this eye looks, the lashes look so much more full than these over here. And I'm like genuinely surprised that it was able to like to do this. Wow. I guess really the only test is to see if it lasts for 36 hours, but really who's going to test a 36-hour wear time? Like I don't even stay awake for, you know, 8 hours at a time. I gotta take a nap every 4 hours. So I don't know, but this, my word. Let me see if I can get closer so you guys can see. Look at that. That's the mascara. Wow. All right, well guys, that's all the video that I got for you. I am, what is like, my face is, looks absolutely crazy right now. All right, guys, that's all the video that I have for you. I am so ridiculously tired. I hope that I gave you enough information within this video to help you decide whether or not you wanted to go and get this product. If you were looking for it, or you were trying to decide whether or not you should get it, or whether it was hype from, you know, other influencers, I'm not telling you to go get it or not. I'm just giving you the information that you need to be able to make a, you know, a decision. Let me know if it's a product that you're thinking about buying. I am definitely going to be using it. So far, you know, for a first impression, yes, I really, really like it. And I think that it's a mascara that almost rivals some of the false lashes that I have, which is crazy because I just put up that, you know, how to apply individual false lashes video. Shameless plug. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to be using it. And of course, I'll update you guys on Snapchat and on Twitter and on Instagram about how I feel about it. But so far, you guys have seen what I think about it. I'm going to go and I will see you guys in the next video, in the next non-janky video. How about that? Give me a second.